in remembrance of Jesus turning water into wine as his first miracle in the wedding in Cana in Galilee. Sandali lang.
Alright, what does the champagne or the red wine toast in a wedding tradition? Of course, throughout the ages, wine has been used for the celebration that signifies life, vitality, and love. Drinking wine for the common class has been intimate miracle, and sharing for this always part of the celebration. So let's call somebody to lead or...
Okay, let me just do that.
Okay, so...
Okay,
Do it
bago
honor.
tayo mag-wine toast, I will be inviting, I will be giving our participation in this one, ladies and gentlemen. Lahat tayo, itaas natin yung mga baso natin. Lahat po tayo, lahat ng bisita, raise your glasses as I propose a toast to good life para sa ating bagong kasal. So, to Cyrus and May, isang malakas na cheers! Ayan, maraming salamat. Showing our love and support para sa ating bagong kasal. But you don't have to drink that if you don't want to. Okay lang? Sige, kung sino yung gusto mong inom. Ayan. Okay, thank you so much for documentation purposes. Anyway, Miss Anne, what do you want to have to say?
Nothing more to say, but we have to follow that up with the dog. I think that's
Do we have doves? Okay. So, we still, okay. Pipiliin ko na lang yung two because I'm so sure that some of us dito, we're kind of peckish already. So, I think we have to serve the food because I'm so sure that our friends here at the function hall of the Aliments Hotel and actually Garden and Resort are now ready to serve us with the sumptuous meals. At syempre, the food are actually served on their tables already. So we will be asking from our friends from Aliments if they can provide the rice already para maumpisahan na natin yung food natin.
Video yan.
Bakit ganyan?
Okay, the rice will be